Next up, lost and found for Elaborate. Before we begin, check out maps.techno.co where you'll find this video as well as thousands of others detailing everything you need to know about every quest, each step, and it even rotates based on your faction. Complete quests easier, maps.techno.co, Arena Breakout Infinite, and now Grey Zone Warfare. In this, we need to find Kanoa, and that's pretty much it. We'll need to report back afterwards. I'll accept this, and let's begin. Okay, so for this quest, what we need to do is make our way to find Kanoa, and they're located all the way near the lumberyard of your town. So for me, just down from there is this building here. That's exactly where we need to head. So I've headed to landing zone 2, which is the closest to where we want to go, and we'll make our way down there. As this is the Night Ops DLC, it seems like the sun is setting, so you may see things dark and in night vision in just a moment. Anyways, approaching the lumberyard here where we were previously for another quest, we'll head just to the front side of it, across the road and into here towards this little building with flags hanging on it. And inside of here, you should find exactly what you're looking for. So I'll hop over the wall, into here, although you could just use the gate. And inside of this building, around the backside here, you'll find these two areas. So again, I'm exactly here on the map. And inside of this first one, we have this back here. This is who we're looking for. We'll inspect and report by holding our key. And as soon as it's done, there we go. We'll need to search, grab the item, and we'll need to take it back. So with this item in hand, the last thing to do is to head back. Let's do it. Just keep in mind, this is a quest item, so if you happen to not make it back, you will need to come back here and pick up the item again, as it will just despawn. You can't pick it up from your own body. Alright, so now that we're back at base, we can hand in this quest, and we're done with it. So Lab-Rat, tasks, handover, and there we go. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.